Canva has a lot of high quality videos in its stock library, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can download that video to your computer. It is not something that Canva is designed to do. Canva is primarily an editing software, but we can kind of treat it as a stock library website. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can get one. So I have this design. I do recommend going for a 16:9 aspect ratio because that is the aspect ratio that a lot of videos are using or being recorded in Canva. But of course you can use a 9:16 aspect ratio or a square aspect ratio like an Instagram post. That's also okay, but I'm going to use this standard aspect ratio. And after that you want to visit Elements and you want to search for a video that you want to download. In this case I'm going to use the keyword red model, and there are a lot of interesting videos. You can go to this videos tab, and I'm going to insert this video to my canvas. So just click and then drag it right here, and it will be applied to this canvas, to this page. So when you're done, you can click share and you can click download, and on the file type make sure to select MP4 video. And the quality, of course, you want to select HD because that is the standard dimension for a lot of content on the internet, but of course you can go lower or higher depending on your purpose. And after that you can click download. Okay, so still waiting. Now what it's going to do is actually rendering the video. That's why it can take quite some time. But sometimes when you are trying to download the video, it may give you a notice that you cannot download a premium asset like this video. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. In case you see that message, I do recommend just duplicating the video, and then on a duplicated version you want to reduce the transparency to 0, and basically that's becoming transparent. And then you can start share, download, select MP4 video, and then you can download the video. That's usually going to work in case you cannot download the video because Canva is not allowing you to download one premium element. So anyway, the file has been downloaded to my computer, and this is the result. Okay, so that is the video that I just got from Canva. This is exactly the same video, and I can use it for other purposes. So that's how you can do it. I hope you find this video to be helpful, and I'll catch you on the next video.